My name is Samuel, and I'm showing you this complicated circuit, which is called a Morse code generator. As you all know, when you change this R2 resistor, it was over here, and I change it to R1 resistor, and you put this over, and you swing it over here, and then when you turn it on, you hear nothing. Do you know why? Answer in the comments below. Because the box, there's like in the graph, the volume graph, sometimes I saw one of those. I saw the box where you can hear stuff, and this is a high frequency generator, which is too high for you to hear. It's off the human hearing box, so dogs can hear it. So if I had a dog here and then the dog were gonna chase it, that's gonna be funny. And also, this one you can hear sound. That circuit was called the dog whistle, but this one I'm changing it to a Morse code generator. Now I can hear it. Let me flip this over. Good. And you have to change this. Oh. And then you can press it to make. Yeah, it kind of doesn't work well, maybe. Did I just waste the battery here? Yeah, whatever. And why is it so low? Okay, that's weird. Okay. Is there anything wrong in here? Okay. So, now if you look in the Morse code generator book over here, you see all these letters with all the plus and negatives. So you can read here. So you can pause the video and read the sentence. So it says, when you press down on the press switch S2, you will hear a tone. By pressing and releasing the press switch, you can generate long and short tones called Morse code. For international code, a short tone is represented by a plus, and a long tone is by a minus, or you can call it a plus or you can call it the plus and a minus, or I don't know. Yeah, whatever. See the chart below for letter or number followed by code. So I'm gonna spell my name with this thing. So I'm gonna spell my name. It takes a while for me to find a letter. So it's and that's my name. And my last name is and that's my last name. And number 16. And that is 16. Bye. Leave in the comments below if you want me to make more videos, and please subscribe and like the video. and I'm already started my channel already, so I'm a new person to be a subscriber or something. So bye.